Today we're taking a look at Solana's Sol coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Sol go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the Solana chart, guys. If you'd like to buy Solana's Sol coin or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And as you can see here, things have played out exactly as we anticipated. We had this reverse candle pattern in here. It was then broken very quickly, and you can see that since that point, we have then declined in value, breaking through our horizontal support level again at $48. So not looking too good at the moment. We are seeing right now $41 per Sol coin, and our next key point of support is $35 and roughly probably about $49.79, whereas let's just say 34.5 cents. That is basically our key point of support right now. As we extend these lines out, you can really see the impact of what has occurred, and I'll just zoom out just a little bit so you can put it into perspective of Sol overall. We're now back to some quite low levels, and certainly pre-run levels, that is for sure, which is not fantastic. These levels were only sort of seen last in August of 2021 before the massive run up to the all-time high over here on the 6th of November, which was a value of $259. So not looking fantastic at this point in time, and the overall crypto market certainly is not looking fantastic either. What we can see for certain is that we are still maintaining this downwards trending channel. And that channel is, of course, moving straight towards that next support point at $35. So I think it's probably pretty realistic to say that this is certainly going to be a point which is tested within the coming days. Now you can see volume is actually dropping off a little bit, but there was a bit of a spike when we broke that key support level there, as you would expect with people's stop losses going off or people selling out as to cut their losses. So let's have a look at a few more indicators. RSI first and foremost. Now the RSI has of course now started to dip, and you can see it's at a value of 30.35, back on the cusp of being oversold once again after, we had a bit of a drop. It's affected it in not, I suppose, a massive way, but brought us closer to that oversold mark, and basically we are there again. So it is certainly looking not fantastic at this point in time. Now, if we do drop into oversold again, we'd expect it to probably pump back up similar as we saw here. What that could prove to show is a potential double bottom if we bounce off, of course, this horizontal point of support at $34.5. Now, you can see we had this touched on the 12th of May previously. So if we saw basically a little bounce, that could be interpreted as a double bottom. So on the positive side, that is a typical reversal pattern, but of course this overall downtrend would need to be broken as well. Let's have a quick look at the MACD now as well. Bringing that one up, you can see we had a nice cross on the 21st of May, the 12th day above the 26th day, but because of the low amount of buying volume, it is now coming back down, and we're about to see another death cross occur with the 12-day EMA crossing, unfortunately, below the 26-day EMA, probably today, maybe tomorrow if it doesn't occur today. So that's not good, of course. Another red period starting off again since we've had a massive one here. The green period's been absolutely tiny, and unfortunately it looks like we're going back into a red period. As I say, the only sort of saving grace for Sol at the moment is a potential double bottom. Whether or not that occurs, of course, is to be seen. Right now I'm just going to get rid of these lines here and try and make a prediction. So of course we went down, we've come up, and we're coming down. I'm certainly expecting us to now hit that 34 mark. So I'm going to draw a line from here down to 34. I'm going to expect a bounce, maybe a test of this 44 level. But at this point in time, I'm not confident that we are going to see a break of that point. So my expectation is we're going to drop bounce, maybe slightly, come back, and then continue in the downtrending channel state, unfortunately, which means we could be dropping to levels as low as over here at the $30 mark. That wraps up today's analysis on Solana's Solcoin, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comment section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video as well, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.